Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and I hope everybody is having a fabulous day. So today we have some Born Pretty. This is the Neon Garden Ice Jellies set. So this gives all the particulars. That's got a 3-year expiration date, things to pay attention to, and just general company information. So let me struggle getting this open so we can check out these gorgeous gel polish colors. So while I'm doing that, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that takes the time to watch my videos, all my subs, all my new subs, all my OG subs. Y'all rock. And I so appreciate y'all taking the time out of your day to join me for this unboxing. So I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking. I'm going to show you the colors and do some swatches, and I'm going to let you watch and enjoy some music.
kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here